Welcome to our community, dear elders. Before we begin, I want you to look down at your feet right now. Do they feel heavier than usual? Do you often feel cold or numbness in your toes? This subtle slowness in your walk might actually be a signal related to your memory health. A common concern as we age is not just the passage of time, but the day when familiar faces or names start to feel slightly less clear. It is the moment when the vast electrical network inside your brain requires more support to maintain its vital connections. Today, Prime Years Health will help you explore 6 golden active ingredients to support brain health and maintain your cognitive wellness. Brain changes don't happen overnight. It is a slow process where the brain tissue naturally changes its volume, affecting your ability to think and remember clearly. Think of it like the electrical wiring in a home needing maintenance to ensure signals reach their intended destination safely and efficiently. When these neural connections require support, the hippocampus, which is the library of your life, may need extra nourishment to help store new information. To support this process, we don't just need to manage the gaps. We need to nourish the entire system and support the remaining cells. Hello, everyone. I am so glad you are here. Let's work together to protect your mind and keep your most cherished memories alive and vibrant. On the left, you see a healthy brain, full and vibrant. On the right, notice the visible gaps and natural changes that can occur over time. This physical change is why you might struggle with words or forget where you placed your glasses. The structural support of your mind is seeking more nourishment. This process can be compared to how pathways in an old system may become less clear, eventually slowing down the flow of essential support. In your brain, these factors can affect how oxygen and nutrients reach your neurons, leading to a gradual shift in your cognitive functions. Which city or province are you watching this from? Please leave a comment so our Prime Years Health community can connect with you and share experiences. Your engagement helps us grow and ensures that no senior has to face the challenges of aging alone. We are all in this journey together. When nerve cells need more support for their protective coating, they become vulnerable. Without this insulation, the electrical signals of your thoughts may not travel as effectively. To support this, we must introduce specific building blocks that can nourish this insulation and support the integrity of your brain's communication network. The solution lies in 6 specific active ingredients that nature and science have provided to help us maintain a sharp and resilient mind for years. Number 6 is vitamin B12. However, it should be in the form of methylcobalamin, which is a highly active and bioavailable version for your body. Think of methylcobalamin as essential maintenance for your brain's electrical wires. It helps nourish the myelin sheath to support clear signal transmission. Without enough B12, your brain's communication may be affected. By taking the right form, you are helping your thoughts travel efficiently to their destination. At number 5, we have curcumin from turmeric. But for the brain, standard turmeric isn't enough. You should consider it in the nano form for better support. The nano form is designed to be small enough to effectively support the blood-brain barrier, which acts like a protective gate for your mind. These tiny agents help manage the buildup and metabolic waste that can affect communication between your vital memory cells. By supporting a healthy internal environment within the brain tissue, Nano Curcumin allows your neurons to function without the burden of excess waste. This isn't just a spice. It's a high-quality tool for neurosupport. Incorporating it into your daily routine can make a significant difference in your mental clarity. When your brain is well maintained and supported, your body follows. You will feel more present, more energetic, and more connected to the world around you. The combination of these 2 ingredients creates a powerful first line of support, nourishing your brain from the inside out against the effects of time. Remember these 2 names, methylcobalamin and Nano Curcumin. They are the foundation of your journey toward a well-supported and resilient memory. Coming in at number 4 is vitamin E, but not the common kind. You need tocotrienols, which offers significantly more supportive potential than standard vitamin E. Think of tocotrienols as a strengthening agent for your cells. They support the very walls of your brain cells, making them more resilient against oxidative stress. This protection is vital because your brain is sensitive to the effects of oxidation. Tocotrienols act as a master antioxidant to keep your brain health vibrant. Number 3 is the legendary Ginkgo Biloba. But a word of caution. Simply boiling dry leaves in water may not give you the specific results you seek. It is best to use a standardized extract. This process ensures you get the exact concentration of active ingredients to support healthy blood flow. Ginkgo Biloba helps support the health of your cerebral blood vessels. It is like ensuring a wide, flowing river of life-giving support for your brain. When blood flow to your brain is well supported, more oxygen and glucose are delivered. This gives your neurons the fuel they need to process information. With improved circulation support, that brain fog starts to feel lighter. You may find it easier to focus on tasks and remember small details throughout your day. Don't let your mental energy become stagnant. Keep it moving like a fresh mountain stream by supporting your vascular health every day. These two ingredients work together to support the structure and ensure the supply lines of your brain are always open and functioning well. Flow is life. By supporting your cells and maintaining your vessels, you are giving your memory the environment it needs to stay vibrant. We have reached a critically important position. Number 2. Omega-3 is famous, but for the brain, it is very effective in the phospholipid form. Why phospholipids? Because your brain is 60% fat. This specific form is highly compatible with the brain's own cellular structures. Many omega-3 sources may not reach the brain efficiently, but phospholipids, often found in krill oil, support the blood-brain barrier with ease and speed. Once inside, they become part of the support system for your brain cells, helping membranes stay flexible so signals can pass through smoothly. For the best results, you should take your omega-3 during a meal that contains some healthy fats. This helps your body utilize every precious drop. This is excellent nourishment for your mind. It supports the cells that manage your emotions and your memories, keeping them resilient as you age. Without these essential fats, the brain's flexibility may be affected. With them, your mind remains a well-nourished ground for thoughts and recollections. Science shows that those with healthy levels of phospholipid omega-3 in their brain tend to have better cognitive scores and healthier brain volume. This is one of the most powerful tools in our wellness arsenal. Quality nutrition is what your brain deserves for long-term health. And finally, we arrive at number 1, phosphatidylserine, or PS. If your brain is a complex system, PS is like a high-capacity support for its function. Phosphatidylserine directly supports the structure of the hippocampus. It helps maintain the integrity of your memory pathways that can be affected by time. It helps you recall events from years ago with better clarity. It is a gold standard for supporting cognitive health and wellness. PS supports the communication between neurons by helping manage the release of neurotransmitters. It helps your brain's internal conversations stay clear. To see the best results, a daily routine of 100 to 300 milligrams is often suggested by specialists for memory support. This is a key to staying sharp enough to engage with your grandchildren and share the wisdom of your life with confidence. Phosphatidylserine is more than just a supplement. It is a fundamental building block of cognitive health that is vital as we get older. When you combine all 6 of these golden ingredients, you aren't just managing aging. You are actively working to nourish and support your mind. Your memories are the tapestry of your life. Every person you loved and every place you visited is stored there. They are worth supporting. We have explored the path to a sharper mind. Now, the choice to nourish and protect your brain is in your hands. Starting today. Your memory is your most precious asset. Keep it bright and clear by providing your body with the right nutritional support. Please share this video with your friends and loved ones. Let's spread this knowledge and help our entire community age with dignity and strength. Prime Years Health is always here to walk beside you. We are dedicated to providing you with the best information for a long and healthy life. Wishing you a sharp mind, a warm heart, and many more beautiful memories to come. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.